Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to fit eyelets with a DK-98. So very simple, here is my DK-98. I have an eyelet fixing die set here, so that's your base. It is all spring loaded. This is just going to sit on the base hole. This is the top die here. This is going to go to where the shaft is up top, so we can push that up. Make sure your little Allen key is loosened here. The Allen key bolt is loosened up. Take the smallest Allen key that is provided to you when you buy the machine. Pop that in there. I'm just going to give that a twist to tighten that up so that can hold it in place. There we go. Fantastic. Okay. I'm going to take the main part of my eyelet here that has the shaft. We're going to pop that on the base die with the shaft pointing upwards, just like so. I can take my material. Here I have just the material that I cut up earlier. We're going to place that over the shaft of the eyelet. I'm going to take the washer, and this is going to go over the top of the material. Make sure that this bump on the washer is on the top side. Now we should just compress that down. And that should all be put into place.